Once there was a king who had a pet elephant. The elephant was looked after by a servant who also had a pet dog. Both dog and elephant grew fond of each other. They eat together, play together, and even bathe together. The elephant looked forward at the dog's visit. But the servant sold the dog for tons of gold because he needed money to live. The dog was heartbroken, but he really needs to follow his new owner for food. The elephant became lonely and refused to eat nor drink. The doctor examined and said, "There's nothing wrong with the elephant. He really just needs someone. Someone." The king replied and said, "Let's go get that dog then, shall we?" And the king ordered the man to release the dog. And the dog became happy, forever and ever. The end.